So we're going to get into InDesign a little bit.
And for this extra credit, I want you to use InDesign. I'm curious how the school's version works, but I'm pretty sure you can use InDesign with the school's version of the Creative Cloud as well if you're not um, paying for it yourself and you're going directly through the school. So uh, follow these instructions, and this is how you can download it.
One thing to do is just go to adobe.com and log in with your email and password for your account. It's going to go to creativecloud.adobe.com. And let's say I go into any one of these, and if you want to get InDesign, just click on InDesign and then click on Get Desktop App, and that will download for you. And then you should see it as one of your Creative Cloud applications. So then if you go into on a Windows machine, go into Windows, and you'll see InDesign as one of the Adobe apps over here. And the other place to check it is when you get the Creative Cloud for the first time, it should force you to download this Adobe Creative Cloud here. And here you'll see it as well. You'll see where it says update, update, update. You'll see that the Creative Cloud is going to be an option down here as well. So you have a couple places where you can find the Creative Cloud.